Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student, you know that motivation doesn't always come easy. Some days you feel super productive, but other days, just opening your notes feels impossible. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to share practical and proven tips to help you stay motivated as a student, even on the tough days. So grab your notebook or just sit back, relax, and let's dive in. The first step to motivation is knowing your why. Ask yourself, why am I studying? What am I working toward? Maybe you want to graduate and make your family proud. Maybe it's about landing your dream career. Or maybe it's about building a better future for yourself. Whatever it is, write it down. Put it on your wall, your phone, or even your notebook cover. When you remember your purpose, your studies stop being just homework, they become steps toward your bigger dream. Motivation is strongest when it's connected to a clear goal. Big tasks can feel overwhelming. If you look at a huge exam or a 50-page thesis, your brain just wants to give up. But here's the secret: break it down into smaller, doable tasks. Instead of saying, I need to study 5 chapters today, say, I'll start with 3 pages. Once you finish, momentum builds, and you naturally want to keep going. Think of it like climbing stairs. You don't jump to the top, you take one step at a time. Small wins fuel motivation. Motivation grows when you have a solid routine. If you study only when you feel like it, chances are you won't get much done, so build a daily schedule. Decide when you'll study, when you'll rest, and when you'll do other activities. Stick to it as much as possible. Over time, studying becomes a habit, not just an occasional effort, and don't forget to include breaks. Short breaks prevent burnout and actually help you stay consistent. Your environment matters. If you're always surrounded by distractions, negative people, or a messy desk, motivation disappears, so clean your study space. Put away distractions like your phone. And if possible, surround yourself with people who inspire you, classmates, mentors, or even online study communities. Positive energy is contagious. When the people around you are hardworking and focused, you'll feel motivated to do the same. Motivation works best when paired with rewards. After finishing a study session, give yourself something to look forward to. It could be watching your favorite show, having a snack, or scrolling on social media for a few minutes. Rewards train your brain to associate studying with positive outcomes. Over time, you'll be more eager to start because you know something enjoyable is waiting at the end. Here's something many students forget: your mind can't stay motivated if your body isn't taken care of. Make sure you're eating healthy meals, drinking water, exercising, and, most importantly, sleeping enough. Pulling all-nighters may seem productive, but in reality, lack of sleep kills focus and motivation. A strong, healthy body supports a motivated, sharp mind. Lastly, remember that motivation isn't always 100%. Some days you'll feel unstoppable, and other days you'll feel tired. That's normal. Don't beat yourself up when you fall short. What matters is that you keep going. Progress is better than perfection. Even small efforts every day add up to big results in the long run. So that's it, my top tips on how to stay motivated as a student. Remember your why, break things down, build routines, surround yourself with positivity, reward yourself, take care of your health, and most importantly, be kind to yourself along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more student tips, and share this with a friend who might need a little motivation today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies.